Did you ever think nachos could be healthy? Well, they are if you're making chicken nacho casserole from diabetesfoodhub.org. We are starting by sauteing chicken seasoned with pepper. After the chicken has cooked for 8 minutes, you can add the diced tomatoes, the black beans, the chili powder, cumin, and garlic powder.
Smells good.
Now turn the heat down to low and simmer this for 5 minutes. Next, we're going to transfer this into a casserole dish. Now for the nacho part, we're going to add the cheddar cheese and the crushed tortilla chips. We're going to coat the casserole with tortilla chips first, and then sprinkle on the cheese. This bakes for 12 minutes in an oven preheated to 375 degrees. The cheese is melted. It's ready. Now this is an entree the whole family can enjoy and you don't have to tell them it's healthy. It's delicious and you can find it at diabetesfoodhub.org.